So where do we stand on update number 10, I think. Got a lot of work done since. Got this all done. Got metal replaced here. It's not perfect, ready for paint yet, but it's 1,000 times better than it was. Hot today. I am working on this, welded in this repair piece here. Started sandblasting my Harbor Freight sandblaster, but it's pretty damp today. It keeps getting clogged up, but it's working pretty good. As you can see, starting to get the rust and crap off. Like I said, it's welded in. There was some damage to this side, so I had to hammer it back out and get it straight. I will do a little Bondo on that side, get it nice and smooth. I had to line up the brush guard because there are supposed to be holes in here, and I'll have to drill them out, assemble it with the nuts on here, and essentially weld the nuts in. This originally had nuts in it. So that's it so far, and I'm going to quit for the day pretty soon. So my homemade nuts are welded in. Let's see what else we got. Got both these lights working, parking lights. Speedometer and odometer working. Well, there's my fuel tank. Yeah, holes amazingly on the top of it. Straps held in. Amazingly also, there's not really that much rust inside, so I will attempt to new gas tank. Completely gave up on the old one. Floor straightened out. All four mounts are rusted out. I have 2x4s jammed in the front, and that is about the right height. Jacked up the back of the cab, so that is correct. And replacing pieces. The mounts in the back, virtually non-existent. So I've got a lot of work cut out.